Have you ever wondered how decentralized exchange always have enough liquidity for traders? And what if I told you that you could potentially earn an average of 1.4% daily by helping provide liquidity? Let me introduce you to Liquidix. Liquidix is a Web3 liquidity protocol designed to connect liquidity provider with automated market makers, also known as AMMs, using an advanced bot called just-in-time, JIT. Instead of allowing your cryptocurrency sit idle, Liquidix deploy your capital where liquidity is needed most, helping decentralized exchanges execute trade more efficiently while creating earning opportunity for liquidity providers. According to the platform, the Liquidix bot automatically manage the liquidity strategy on your behalf, so you don't need to trade manually or constantly monitor the market. The platform states that users can earn between 0.7% and 2.5% daily, with an average return of around 1.40% per day, depending on the bot's trading performance. Liquidix currently supports 7 automated market makers across 4 blockchains network, helping ensure that decentralized markets remain liquid, efficient, and ready for traders around the clock. Getting started is simple. Follow me as I show you a step-by-step guide on how to complete registration and start exploring this amazing opportunity. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. Alright, you're welcome to the part 2 of this video. So this is how to get started. Check the description of this video, grab the link, and use any of your preferred browser. So once you open it, you click on Launch Dashboard, then you click on Create Account. You can see Create Account, just continue with Google. So once you click on Continue with Google, your email will be displayed, so you select any of your preferred email for your registration. So immediately you complete registration, you are going to get this interface. Alright, as you can see, this is your home page. This is your dashboard rather. And the first thing you are seeing here is saying JIT not activated. So this simply means your trading bot is not active yet. So activation fee for this bot is $100 by default, right? That's the price. But because they're actually doing a promo, so they are currently on their promo for a very limited time, I think 7 days. All right, so this is the 3rd day. If you are watching this video, this is the 3rd day. You have just 4 days or less than 3 days to enter into this promo with $50. So when you click on Start JIT, you see currently you see $50 because it's a one-time activation. So after this limited time is over, when you come as a new member, you are going to see $100 here to activate your bot. So all you just have to do is just to go ahead and copy this address here. You can see it USDT on BNB Smart. This is USDT BIP20. So you just go ahead and send $50 inside to activate the bot. All right. So immediately you activate the bot, you can go ahead and make your deposit. Right. You click on deposit. Then the minimum amount you can deposit is $20, and that $20 you get 1.4% every 24 hours after every 24 hours. So now your capital that you invested, which is $20, remember this $50 you are using to activate this JIT on the promo is what is it called? This is what that $50 is what you are using for activation, right? It's not part of your capital. That one you are buying the bot. Then that's if you enter during the promo. But if you are entering after the promo, that's 7 days after the launch of the project. So that simply means you'll be using $100. So that $100 is not your capital. So after this bot is running, that's when you can now deposit your capital. So once you deposit your capital, whatever you deposit, you are going to be receiving 1.40% every 24 hours. All right, so the next thing to see is the global liquidity flow. So this is the global liquidity flow. You can see live visualization of the fund cycle, total value locked. This is the total amount that has been locked so far. All right, so now this is the activity feed. You know, we said that the Liquidix actually supply liquidity to DeFi protocol, DeFi exchanges like you can see funds sent to Uniswap, V3, and you can also see live feeds of how they distribute, how the JIT actually trades on the capital you actually invested on this platform. And you can see this is Balancer V2 and the rest. So these are the protocol that they are actually working with, and subsequently more other protocol will be deployed. So currently they have about 7 AMM they are supplying liquidity for on 4 different networks, as I've explained in the first part of this video. All right, so this is just live feeds from the user earning distribution. You can see what people are actually earning per day. All right, so this is how it works. And remember, very important, once you activate your bot and you have invested your capital, it will appear here. Then that capital will be locked for 3 months. The capital will be locked for 3 months, but your earning can be withdrawn once you meet the minimum withdrawal threshold of $5. So let me quickly show you my account. I just created this account in order to guide you step by step on how to complete registration and how to make deposit. All right. So let me quickly switch to my original account. All right, guys. So this is my main account. Please pay attention. This is very, very important. You can see that the JIT Bot is active, my deposit button is active, and my withdrawal button is also active because I have a running capital. My JIT Bot is active. Now, like I said, doing the promo from on the 1st till on the 7th, that's what they actually gave. From on the 1st on the 7th, you can activate your bot with $50. I can't guarantee you, and I'm not sure if from on the 8th and beyond, you'll be able to get in, you'll be able to activate the bot with $50. I think $100 should be the standard price. All right. So when you have activated your bot, you click on deposit. This is how to deposit your capital. All right. So you also deposit by sending token the same way you sent to activate the JIT bot. So you click on deposit and you choose any of the network that is preferred. You can see USDT on BIP20, that's Smart Chain. We have the USDC BIP20 on Smart Chain. We have the USDT Polygon. We have the USDC Polygon. So choose whichever you preferred. And once you send, copy the address and go ahead and send. So immediately you send, you come back and click I have paid. So once you click I have paid, the platform will track your deposit and it will appear on your balance. Okay, so once it appears on the balance, you see capital locked in pool. So this capital will be locked for 3 months. You won't be able to withdraw this money for 3 months. So your capital will not be, you can't withdraw it for 3 months. That's the contract, as I've explained in the first video. Now, your earning, your daily return is 1.5%, 1.4% of your total balance. So your earning is 1.4% of your total balance. Now, once you have up to $5 as your total earn, that's what the AI return to you. Once you have up to $5, you have accumulated up to $5, you'll be able to click on withdraw. All right, you'll be able to click on withdraw. You can see it, the minimum amount is $5. Then you click, you paste in the address you would like to use in making your withdrawal, and it is USDT BIP20. That's what you use for your withdrawal. All right, so you can choose where you want to. You can see the main capital is locked. You can see it here is locked, but my gain wallet, you can see it is showing that I can make withdrawal. All right, so my available balance is 3.85. That's why it is blurred, because it is not up to the minimum threshold of $5. If I have up to $5 now, I'll be able to make withdraw from this platform. So you just go ahead and click on $5, then copy your exchange USDT BIP20 or any of the wallet you would like to use. Go ahead and paste it. So immediately you paste it, you click on confirm withdrawal. All right, so you just go ahead and make withdrawal. In few minutes, sometime an hour, you can get your payment confirmed in your platform. Right, so that's how it works. So this is how it works. And if you have any question in regards, just drop it in the comment section of this video. I'm going to attend to everyone. And also, please do well to join the WhatsApp community. The link is also in the description of these videos. Do well to join so that you can interact with me one-on-one. All right. So also, for those who want to be influencer in this project, I can recommend you to the team. And when you are recommended and you are accepted, remember, one of the criteria is that you must have a community. I mean, a crypto community, an active community, because it will be checked before you are chosen. All right. So if you are chosen, the team will be the one to fund you. They will fund your account, right? From the promotional fund, they will fund your account. All you have to do is to start working, start making referrals, start promoting the project, and you will get paid daily. So that's how it works. If you have interest, just look at the screen. You see my WhatsApp number, DM me, and I'm going to recommend you on this project. I believe I've been able to touch the major areas in this project. So like I said, this project, all they do in summary is that when you bring capital to them, they will use that capital, they will supply that capital to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Radium, Balancer, and the rest. So they supply for them. So immediately they are done, they return, like including QuickSwap, you can see it here. So immediately they are done trading, they return the capital plus interest. So it is from that interest they will also give you from. So the AI trade from 0.7 to 2.5, as I've explained in the first video. So they will give you 1.4%. That's what they give you. And if you want to get your own referral code, just click on this icon, click on referrals, and scroll down to get your referral code. You can see it here. So just go ahead and copy the referral code and start sharing. And remember, your level 1, for those you refer, you are going to earn 5%. Level 2, you earn 3%. Level 3, you earn 2%. So this is how it works. And I want you to leverage on this platform. Remember, this is not a financial advice, but it is risky not to take risk. So that's just it. So do your own research. And if you know you are cool with it, as I am, you just go ahead and start earning on this platform. All right, so I wish you all the best. Do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for subsequent updates, because very soon I'll be doing videos for my withdrawals.